Odoo Project Management Module is designed to help businesses plan, organize, and track projects effectively. It's integrated into the broader Odoo ERP system, providing a seamless experience across various business functions. Here are key aspects of project management in Odoo. Project creation. Start by creating a new project in Odoo. Provide details such as the project name, customer, start and end dates, project manager, and other relevant information. It also offers various reporting formats, in the form of project updates, task analysis, burn-down charts, timesheets and planning analysis. We can create customized stages for increased details, project level. Tasks and subtasks. Break down your project into tasks and subtasks. Assign responsible team members to each task. This allows for better organization and tracking of work. We can create customized stages for detailed each task, subtasks in the system. When handling a project, the same task often needs to be performed several times. For example, weekly meetings or status reports. The recurring tasks feature allows you to automate the creation of those tasks. Kanban and Gantt views. Odoo provides Kanban and Gantt chart views for project management. The Kanban view displays tasks in different stages, while the Gantt chart provides a visual timeline of the project. Drag and drop functionality to modify the stages in the task. Collaboration and communication. Team members can communicate within the system by leaving messages on tasks. This ensures that discussions are linked to specific tasks, providing context and a historical record. We can even tag project members in the message section to notify the team members, with higher transparency in the system. Time tracking. Odoo includes a time tracking feature, allowing team members to log the time spent on tasks. This data is valuable for monitoring project progress and analyzing resource utilization. Documents and attachments. Attach relevant documents and files to tasks. This feature helps in centralizing project-related documentation, making it easy for team members to access necessary information. Milestones. Define project milestones to mark significant achievements or stages. Milestones can help in tracking progress and celebrating key accomplishments. Integration with other Odoo modules. Project management in Odoo is seamlessly integrated with other modules. For example, you can link projects to sales orders, timesheets, and invoices. This integration streamlines business processes and ensures data consistency. User roles and permissions. Define user roles and permissions to control access to project data. This ensures that team members have the appropriate level of access based on their responsibilities. Reporting and analysis. Generate reports to analyze project performance, track costs, and evaluate resource allocation. Odoo provides reporting tools to help you gain insights into your projects. Mobile accessibility. Odoo is designed to be accessible on various devices, including mobile phones and tablets. Team members can manage and track projects on their fingertips through mobile, web app, interface. Customization. Customize project management settings and workflows to align with your organization's specific needs. Email integration. Integrate email communication within the project management module for efficient communication. Forecasting and planning. Utilize tools for project forecasting and planning to estimate project timelines and resource requirements. Customer portal. Provide client or external stakeholder access to a customer portal, where they can view project progress, communicate, and access relevant information. Scheduling activities. The end user can schedule activities, example, call, meeting, etc., per project by clicking on the clock icon on a project, and respective users will be notified till the activity is executed in the system. We have provided a general overview of project management features in Odoo. The specific details may vary based on the version you're currently using and the customization performed by your certified partner. We are a certified Odoo partner, and our endeavor is to cater people from various business segments and be a pioneer service provider in Odoo knowledge revolution to scale up your business and meet your growing requirements, with customization as and where required to make your business model streamlined and cost-effective. For more info on Odoo, visit our website www.o2btechnologies.com or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2b, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.